Hi everyone, this is Emma at Pixies Productions. Today we are turning this blank. It's a yellow and white ribbon blank. It's already made, so bought made. I have to turn it down into a cylinder and then shape it. It'll be a new shaped video, although I have done this shape before. It's an hourglass pen shape. So let's begin and we will see it when it becomes a cylinder. Thank you. So we've got this yellow and white blank now in the cylinder, as you can see. What I did was got a ruler, did some markings, got my pencil, put it up against the rest where I had markings, turned the blank like this, and got the markings. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bit of an engravement so I know how deep I want them it to go and where I want everything to go, and then after that I'll finally shape the pen into the final shape. Let me know in the comments below whether you like the blank. If you have an idea of blank that you want and you haven't seen it yet, let me know. I have just recently started making blanks myself as well, so I could always make a custom blank if you're interested. So let's begin shaping this pen. So here's the final pen shape. I'll take you a little video closer to it at this angle so you can see it from a few angles. So now what I'll have to do is send a picture and make sure the customer likes it, and then after that what I'll do is I'll do the sanding process, dry sanding process, then a wet sanding process with the micro mesh. That's when the pen really comes to life. So I hope you like this pen so far. Leave a like on the video and please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell notification to get notifications when we upload new videos, and also keep tuned for more future videos. Thank you. So we've had confirmation about this pen shape and it's right. So it's a case of sanding it down now, micro meshing it, making it shiny, and then it'll be sent off to the customer. So let's begin. So here's the pen, all polished up and sanded. As you can see, it's got a nice lovely shine to it. I really like this one. I didn't expect it to come out as good as it has actually. So I'm quite surprised with it myself. So I'll get some close-up pictures of the final piece with the ends in, and then I'll send the final picture to the customer, and hopefully it'll get sent out tomorrow. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.